Hi, my name is Michael Brown, and I want to share with you my story of how I figured out a trick to make a lot of money fast. See, over 10 years, I've worked as a financial advisor, making an average salary, and now within just a couple of years, I was able to retire early, doing the things I love to do. You are probably wondering, well, how did I do it, right? Well, I was constantly following the markets and helping my clients to manage their finances properly. At the same time, I was very focused on my own finances and was constantly investing and making as much profit as I could. I invested in reputable companies, ETFs, even more volatile commodities, but the returns were laughable. I mean, I wanted to make more money and live the way I wanted to live. I mean, what's wrong with that, right? So I began to do some investigating and see what options were out there, and that's when I discovered binary options. I had previously heard about it, and I had absolutely no idea how simple trading binary options actually was. All I had to do was purchase a binary option of an asset and determine whether the asset would go up or down in a fixed amount of time. Really, it was that simple. So I decided to make a trade and see what it was all about. And I chose an asset that I follow regularly and gave it an expiration time of 45 minutes from then. After purchasing the option, I waited 45 minutes and it closed significantly positive. I made a 90% profit in just 45 minutes. It blew my mind how easy it was. I then thought to myself, this may be the best way for me to make real money. So I began to really focus on earning. I purchased ebooks, watched online courses, followed signals, anything to help me make the most promising trade choices. At the same time, I was doing a ton of studying on the internet about different methods of trading. I traded currencies, purchased 60-second options. I wanted to know which method would give me the best return. I started with smaller amounts, $50 here, $500 there, and soon began doubling and tripling my investments. No, I did not make income from every trade, but it isn't about being in the positive on every trade. It's about being in the positive the majority of the trades. I traded gold and oil. I started to make money very fast. I would make more money in just an hour than I would my whole entire week of work. What I liked about trading gold was the commodity is very volatile. It could go up or down incredibly fast, bringing me more profits than I could imagine. I also traded currency. I'd follow the international markets and determine which currency would be worth more at a particular time. Now, Forex was the most exciting for me personally. I can't explain it. You'll just have to try it out for yourself to fully understand. I began to make around $1,500 to $3,000 every week, depending on how much time I spent trading. At this point, I was really determined to trade almost every day. I wanted to see high numbers in my bank account. After about a year, I had made well over $100,000. Did you hear me? $100,000 in net profits. I was speechless. I couldn't believe it. I was eager to see how much more profit I can make. So to tie up my story, what I'm trying to say is my binary option success can also be your success. Trading binary options successfully is something that can be learned and mastered by just about anyone that is determined to make substantial income. I mean, if you are determined to make real money, trading binary options may be exactly what you're looking for. Since the markets can fluctuate drastically on a day-to-day basis, it is best you start slowly and learn how to trade smartly. Once you know the basics, you can start pulling in thousands weekly. It's all about how you focused, how focused and determined you are. Well, that's it. I mean, if you have any questions on how to get started, please leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, guys.